Hello, everyone, and welcome to Reading with Mr. Jacobs. I hope that you guys enjoyed the last video. Today, we're going to read a book called A Quick Picnic by Pam Holden, illustrated by Christine Ross. Let's look at these questions. Have you had a picnic? What things do you need for a picnic? The people in this family have everything they need for a good picnic. So let's pay close attention as we read. Here is the sun. That's good. We need the sun for a picnic. Here is a blanket. That's good. Why do you think we need a blanket for a picnic? Talk with your families about that. Here is an umbrella. That's good. Why would we need an umbrella? Talk about it. Here's a basket. That's good. I know why they need a basket. What do you think about it? Oh, yum. Here is the food. That's good. Let's try to name some of the foods that we have here. I see tomato, I see cheese, I see bread, I see a watermelon, banana, orange. This family has some really good food for a picnic. What foods would you have on your picnic? Here is the drink. That's good. Turn and talk to your mom or your dad or your sibling and figure out what is your favorite drink. Share with them. Why would you want this favorite drink at your picnic? What drink will I have? I would like to have fresh lemonade. I love lemonade. Here is the rain. No, what's happening? Can you describe how are they feeling right now? The rain has come. How are they feeling? Try and talk to your family member. How are they feeling right now because the rain came? Let's see. That's bad. I bet they feel devastated that all of their hard work to put the picnic together is now gone. All right? Sometimes things like that happen. You have to be prepared. Okay? All right, that's the end of our story. Look at some of the sight words that we have here. Here, the, good, and that's. All right, so remember, you should plan a picnic. All right, and you can have it at home in your living room or in your dining room. Just lay out something on the floor, a nice little blanket on the floor, and have a picnic. All right, hope to talk to you guys soon. See you later.